Jackson. Come here. Come here. Come closer. So me and you have some secret pancakes. Just for Jackson and Daddy. Not for Junior and Daddy. Okay then, let's go make them. Really? None for Junior and Mum? None?
None. You get one.
Oh, how many are you getting?
3 2. One.
Yeah, damn right, one.
Don't let Moi get yours.
Oh no, he's not getting mine.
No, Moi, you're not getting pancakes. You're not hungry. You have treats.
Come on then. Pancakes! High five! Ow!